Pawpaw, Papaya or Pawpaw by Ohidur. Surah Ar-Rahman talks about various virtues of Almighty God. Pawpaw is enough to glorify His virtues. You can easily control your bowel movement. You can control your gastritis. And above all, you can keep your stool as soft as you need. The more you eat pawpaw, the softer your stool becomes. Not less than 100 grams, no matter ripe, unripe, cooked or raw, uncooked, you will remain fine while passing stool. If you have any problems such as abscess, piles, fistula or fissure inside your anus, you need to keep your stool the softest like clay, no shape of your stool. How? Have pawpaw not less than 200 grams up to 500 grams every day. Sometimes, you have ripe pawpaw, another day unripe and another day cooked with daal and bori for better taste. There is only one condition. Drink plenty of liquid, water. If there is shortage of water, the pawpaw taken will make your stool even harder, the reverse effect. If you have no disease and want to eat bad food such as spicy beef at home or in a party, roadside junk food and fast food, you don't worry. Again, one condition. You must make sure that you'll eat pawpaw and necessary amount of liquid, water until bowel movement next time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.